I'm looking for short entries here using the inversion fair value gap as my area of interest. My initial entry isn't visible due to the delay, but the target remains the previous day's low, which is significantly lower. At this point, I'm watching the CB to see if it can hold price. There is a minor rejection, but I'm focused on candle bodies. I need to see a decisive close below the previous lows. Price fails to deliver that. Instead, it begins to stall and trade sideways. The continuation isn't convincing, and that creates discomfort. Because there's no clean break below the lows, I take my first partial. Price then moves away from the 0.5 level of the new week opening gap, and I'm monitoring this CB to see if it can push price lower. I took another sell position there after that rejection. But that failure signals a shift in delivery. I scale out further with additional partials as price refuses to break lower. At this stage, the message is clear. Sellers are losing control, and price is preparing to continue higher. I exit the remainder of the position.